Yeah. Ah, crap. I'll just get this stuff out of the way here. Oh. Alright, so now we got it played off. And then we got the carousel loose. Now we just want to get this thing, get the turn arm out of the freaking way. Which we have to. Looks like this part here is not going to work right or something. Oh. I have to find the motor reattached. Okay. Let's see. Now let's see if it works. That's not good. I got the motor back on there right. Alright, at least that's out of the way now. So now we can take the carousel and try to get it off. Which looks like it's going to be a pain in the butt with all this stuff here. Got to that now. Now let's see if we can get this cam to move. It does not look like it wants to move. God, I need to be sure the heck don't want to tear this whole entire freaking console out. That would just suck. Like suck big time. Which most likely that's probably what I'm gonna have to freaking do, but I don't want to. You know where to get it out unless I actually got to screw it out. Oh, can I? No, I think this fucker washes off. Darn it. Okay, I'm gonna kill this darn thing. I don't want to mess with it. Alright, let's see here. Get this sucker out. Oops, don't lose that. I'll raise this up. Let's see if you can pull this sucker right off. Doesn't look like it. It's a darn piece of crap. There's one. Couple more to go. Let's see if I can get this sucker off. Come on. Alright, need to grab it this way. Possibly. Alright, let's see it pull off. Alright, that's two. Jeez, oh please. Rock-ola, you really have to do something about this darn thing. Off. Oops. not what I wanted to do. Crap. And the last one. This one looks like give me a pain. Yeah, to get to. Not sure what all the camera's catching.
Nothing.
Already nothing.
If I were to hold it, maybe.
Nah. I'll just keep it on the tripod. Okay, well those are out. Now the last thing I just have to do is unscrew all these. Okay. Make sure you do not lose those. Put them in the same spot, just like the rest of the screws. Alright, let's get this sucker out. This back one didn't have one to go with it. Oh, that's why. Because that one spring. That's why that came off. The spring's broke. That's perfect. Alrighty, there's that. There's that. That should be all of them. Plug these darn things. And we'll unplug this so that way we don't have any circuits, no matter if we're plugged in or not. Okay, let's see. Before we pull this sucker out, we gotta make sure we got everything disattached, which we're gonna have to detach that. We're gonna disattach you. And detach this darn thing. Crap. Let's see if I can turn it back. Wait, pliers, guess not. Curses, curses, curses. So this guy. See what you fit. Oh, right off the bat. Loosen that wire. Alright. Let's see, we have another wire here that's going down here. So we gotta see where you're going. Okay. Let's see, we have that wire that's going in that direction, going over there, so. See, this is attached to that, so we don't have to worry about you. You're attached to the body, so you're going to have to be disconnected. We'll pull the clips in. That's disattached. We don't have you attached to anything at all, so. We still have the carousel attached. That loose next. Which would need to loosen its grip down here. That grip loose. I gotta make sure I tear apart this freaking one motor so I can get it back out running again like it's supposed to. We want to disconnect this plug. Should just pull right apart. low battery. Jeez, oh Pete. Ugh. Oh Lord, it's back down again. Yeah. Ugh. As everyone probably missed, I just disconnected this cable, which goes to the carousel, goes to the main control. Then unplug the memory, which will be bolted on the bottom. There's cables here that have to be disconnected, so one of them goes attached to this, and you also have a plug-in that plugs in on the bottom, which we got up here. This is the attachment for one of the motors, so don't want to lose that. This thing should be ready to come out. So we'll see when I get the system out with the new battery and the camera. Alright, this is more of the teardown of the Rock-ola 443. The carousel is completely out because I couldn't get the wheel off with the cabinet, so I had to get it out of here. So I moved it to another room. You see, I finally got it off. Still sitting in the play position, so that way the gripper's out of the way. And I got a piece I gotta fix. As you can see right here, it's gone. I gotta get that refixed again. But there's the carousel all torn to pieces. So I can hopefully try to get to that camera, get that clean. So there it goes. Okay. So what did I do with it? No. I just took the lock ring off, which hopefully now I'll be able to get the cam off. There's a little ring right there that goes in between this shaft and that cam right there. So I just took that out so I can hopefully get this off. But let's try again, YouTubers. Let's try this again. Hopefully it should come off this time. Hopefully, anyway. Without me having to knock everything over. I'm gonna slowly try to work at it. Try to anyway. Gee. Oh, crap. Let's see, how do I want to go at this? Let's see if I can. See if I can get this to move. I hope. Crap. Got so many awkward positions because I got it sitting on a chair. Crap, Debbie. It looks like it should be the other thing that's holding. Crappy. That's not enough. I gotta do something with this motor. Crap. Trying to figure out why does this cam does not like to come off. Debbie. This is gonna be a more pain in the ass than I thought.
What's that?
Kind of hard to see the camera. Jeez. Alrighty.
Need some light over there?
I think I should be all right for now. No. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see if we can start taking this darn thing apart.
Really?
Let's see here. Hitler? Oh no! We're in trouble.
Run! It's Hitler!
It's Hitler. We're running. Hey, can I get these?
You have a recording.
Son of a! What happened to fucking that rack for? And